How to see watch history on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to go back and view the video that you watched like a while ago? Don't worry, TikTok saves your watch history. I'll show you how to do that. Let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app, go to your profile in the bottom right corner, head over to the three horizontal lines in the top right, go to settings and privacy. There you'll find Activity Center at the top. Just tap on it, and then there you can see watch history. Now, once you click on that, you can see all of your watch history and even filter by date, like yesterday, last week, last month, or even put in a date range. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.